It's nice to be doing this song. This is that was the first time Emily sang that song with us. She sang old TV on the yeah, up in Denver just on the fly too. And this will be our first time with this. We've been kind of slow getting her involved, but it's nice. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2. Drifting